Hi there, this is Naya with Elastin Skincare, and I'm here at Stoker Plastic Surgery in Marina Del Rey to talk about one of my favorite Elastin products, our Restorative Eye Treatment. So this is definitely a fan favorite here and in all of our accounts. Obviously, the area around our eyes, which has been the focal point the last couple years especially, but we tend to get dark circles, we get little etched in lines. The skin there just tends to age differently as well than the other skin on our face, so it's more sensitive, we have less oil. You do really need a specialty eye product for that area because of the delicate skin around the eyes. Our restorative eye treatment is one of the few eye creams that you can use on your entire top lid as well for elasticity. You can pair it with neurotoxins, you can pair it with any other treatments that you're doing here. You can use it post-surgical procedures like upper blepharoplasty to enhance treatment results. But everyone loves our restorative eye, and we recommend you come in and try it for yourself.